Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to mix like ginseng step by step. Begin by measuring 1 teaspoon of ginseng powder or 2 grams of sliced root per cup, then warm water to about 80 degrees C and steep gently for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir lightly to dissolve powder or release flavors, and taste as you go. Adjust sweetness or strength with honey, citrus, or a pinch of sea salt to balance bitterness. Warm water helps ginseng release its aromatic and bitter notes without destroying heat-sensitive compounds, so aim for about 80 degrees C rather than a rolling boil. If using powder, whisk or use a small frother to avoid clumps and create an even infusion. For sliced root, gently simmer for 5 minutes, then steep off heat for best balance. Taste frequently and modify steep time or add mild sweeteners to suit your preferences. Think of ginseng as a strong base that needs friendly companions to shine. Honey, lemon, or a touch of cinnamon helps smooth the profile and highlight subtle floral notes. When combining with tea, start with a smaller ginseng dose to avoid overpowering tannins and adjust from there. If you prefer a chilled version, brew double strength, cool, then dilute with ice or sparkling water for a refreshing, balanced drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.